Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to know product availability in Best Buy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to know product availability in Best Buy. Now, the first step to knowing product availability is to set your local store. And how do you set your local store? Head over here to the top right corner of the screen where you have this Haterade. So Haterade is currently my local store. So if you want to change that, so go ahead and click on Haterade. And once you click on Haterade, you can see store details. And check store details and you're going to find all the products available in your local store. If you want to find another store, go ahead and click on find another store and you're going to see all the products available in that store. But now that we have Haterade, so go ahead and click on store details. And it's going to take you to the store details window. In there, we can find all of the products available in Haterade. So this is it. Now on this page, you're going to have to shop and specialty shops and services, promotion, facts, and so this is store review and a lot more and a lot more. So you need to know what. So how do I check product availability? Go ahead and click on that, and once you click on that, say you have bestbuy.com have the latest product availability information. Now check back frequently as product availability may change. Does this change as sold out or check stores may update throughout the season? Product displayed as sold out, in-store only, or check stores cannot be ordered by phone. So call centers are not able to provide guidance in inventory levels. So specialty shops. So this is it. Our stores are open. You can check the stores to see more products are available in this store. So you can go all the way back and over here where you have top products. You have top products. So these are the products that are available in Haterade. You can see all the products that are available. So these are the products, recently viewed items. So these are my recent viewed items, and these are further products that you can definitely get on Haterade. You can even check the deal of the day, top deals. Yes, Best Buy sells that for you to see more product availability. Of course, once you check the product, you're going to see if it's available or not. Let's say, for example, this particular product. I'm clicking that open. So here you go. So these are the product details. Now, if this product is not available, you're going to see that it is out of stock. But this product is currently available, so that's why I can still place an order for it. This is still loading up. So once it's done loading up, you can see all the details for this. So it's available, so I can now click on add to cart. But if it's not available, I'm going to see out of stock. So that's another way you can find if a product is available or not in Best Buy. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.